How to see who viewed your Facebook profile. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of Facebook application. Once you check that, the very next step you need to do is simply launch your Facebook application and make sure you have logged into your account. Now tap on the menu button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select the profile. There you will see three dots on your profile. Simply tap on it and select Turn on Professional mode available there. Now select Turn on. Once you turn on your professional mode, go through your home page and click on your profile page. There you will see dashboard option available. If you don't see, then refresh once. Then you will see dashboard option. Go through it and on the top you will see insights option. Simply tap on that. From here you will see reach option available there. If you go through the reach, then you will find out how many people have viewed your Facebook profile. For now, in my case, that shows 0. That means no one has viewed my Facebook profile. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.